Sisig is one of the most popular dishes in the Philippines. Made from cut meat, ginger, onions, garlic, hot peppers, scallions, cilantro, soy sauce, and mayo, tossed together into what Chef Red describes as a perfect harmony of flavors. He reveals how he masterfully prepares his Octopus Sisig. First, boil the octopus for almost 2 hours for juicy tenderness. Shock it in a refreshing ice bath to lock in flavor and texture. Marinate in garlic and olive oil. Slap it onto a super hot grill for char and flavor. Chop it up into fun, bite-sized pieces, together with all the other ingredients. Toss it all into a pan to saute in rock star fashion. Add Chef Red's secret sauce. Then you throw it onto a sizzling hot plate. And ladies and gentlemen, that's how to sell the Octopus Sisig Sizzle.